At Lockheed Martin, my work carries weight. The kind that shows up when the stakes are real. Every decision matters. Every detail holds purpose. What I love most is the collaboration. I get to sit with brilliant engineers, tackling problems that don't have easy answers. The work is fast, it's unpredictable, and it pushes me to grow every single day. I've learned to lead in the room, to trust my skills, to be resourceful when things don't go as planned. This is where I've grown. From student to software engineer. From curious to confident. From building projects in class to building solutions that can't fail. That's the impact of Eastern. It doesn't just hand you a degree. It hands you a future you can hold. This is where I found my edge. This is where I become ready for the world. Eastern Michigan University.